Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System for the 2022 and beyond Hyundai Santa Cruz. This system contains three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail Foot Pack, set of 4, and the WingBar Evo Load Bars, set of 2, offered in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these contoured rubber bases and 4 sets of these rubberized metal side rail brackets and 4 of the barrel fasteners. The rubber bases and brackets have numbers that are assigned to them, which correspond to numbers shown in the instruction sheet to help with the installation. And I'll demonstrate the installation on one of the Evo Flush Rail feet. So I'll first remove the outer cover. Inside, you'll notice there's a threaded post here. So the components of the fitting kit not only have numbers assigned to them, but they also have letters to help you with the correct order of installation. So I'll first install letter A, which is the inner bracket, and that just sets within the foot there. And then B, which is the rubber base pad, which just presses to the underside of the foot. And letter C, which is the outer bracket, which hinges onto the top bracket, and then we'll just keep everything together here with the barrel fastener. So the next step would be to install the foot onto the load bar. So here we have the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar, which is accessed by opening the end cap, allowing you to slide approved hardware directly into the bar, giving you the ability to attach certain carriers directly to the top of the bar for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. I'll go ahead and take off this end cap. On the underside of the bar, you see we have another slot that will accommodate the foot. Within the slot, we have a measuring device. The numbers on the measuring device are not referenced in the instruction sheet. However, you can use those to help manually center the load bars on the roof of the vehicle. So now we'll go ahead and slide the foot into the slot on the underside of the bar. At this point, we'd want to reinstall the end cap as a safety measure so that when you're maneuvering the bars with the loose feet, that they won't slip off the end of the bar. Okay, so the next step when you're ready to install would be to tighten the brackets to the side rail of the vehicle, and you would use the tool that's included with the foot pack to tighten. As you're tightening, it will tighten not only the brackets to the side rail, but also tighten the foot to the load bar simultaneously. And this tool is unique in that it has a special handle which will click when it's reached full tightness. Generally, you tighten 50% on one side, 50% on the other side, and tighten each side evenly. But once you've reached full tightness, the tool clicks, giving you that indicator that you've reached the maximum tightness. Now you'll notice we have some exposed slot here. We want to fill that in with rubber that's included with the load bars to maintain the aerodynamic performance on the underside of the bar. That just presses in and keeps the airflow smooth there. Okay, now we'll go ahead and put the outer cover back into place. That just snaps back onto the front. There is a plastic plug. Give that a quarter turn. That'll hold that cover in place. However, you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a lock cylinder. This is a Thule one-key system lock cylinder, which they're sold in matched sets. A set of 4 will lock all 4 of your feet to the vehicle. However, these are sold in larger sets so that you can not only have your roof rack key matched, but also the one-key system compatible accessories and carriers that are attached to the load bar could potentially also be key matched so that you can have a single key to lock and unlock all your gear. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. Also, if you found this video helpful, give it a like. And we have over 2,000 rack-related videos on our YouTube channel. Consider subscribing. We upload new videos weekly. And if you have any questions or comments about this particular system, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.